Well, hi, folks. It's that time of the year where we are focused on our favorite people, giving them gifts and things like that. And we just want to remind you that guess what? We have some tools through that we're marketing through MyRV Works. So, how do folks get these, Trisha?
Yeah, so you can go to our website, myrvworks.com, and click on the store tab. You can also go directly to our store by clicking myrvworks.com/store. We'll also provide a link in the description. We'll provide a link up here to click on, and you can find all of these products there. And some of the products that we have right here, we have our quick disconnect tap jig set. We also have standalone taps that will be discontinued, and we're just trying to make room for more tools. And so with this end of the year sale, we're going to have some items that you might not be able to get after December 31st. And so we encourage you to go to the store and make sure to place your order if you want to make sure that you have these items before they become discontinued. Like I said, our standalone tap jigs we will not carry into the 2024 season, and so this will be your last chance to get them.